This content is the property of Put It Out There TV, also known as PIOT TV, a property of the House of Yasha Allah El Trust. If you are viewing and or listening to this content on a non-PIOT TV branded platform, then we kindly ask that you stop and flag this content for copyright infringement. Thank you.
Incorporated group having certain legal rights and responsibilities. Now that's what I was just telling you about. The person, this is the type of person that they're saying you are. As colored persons, and we colored people. I'm not saying I'm colored because I'm not. I'm a Moor. I have a nationality. So that's not what I'm saying. But I'm just trying to let y'all know the game that's being played on y'all. On us. Because as long as we play this game and act like we're not going to get this and we're not trying to get this and we keep trying to be the ancient black kings and queens and take 15th century words and 16th century words and try to throw them back 2,500 years ago and place them on us, we're losing. Period. Because law is specific. You see me going through these this is basic stuff. And we sit here and think that we're online like we're really woke. We think we really woke, like we woke. No, you have just cracked the coffin, Hiram. That's it. You have just lifted the lid off the sarcophagus, Hiram. Do y'all know who Hiram is? Because you're still running around here acting like Hiram. You still acting like you're dizzy from them three ruffians knocking your ass upside your head. Period. Like you're in the temple, but you're in the damn mausoleum part of the fucking temple. You ain't where the living man and woman is at. The true and living most high. The El, the Allah, the Yahuwah, the Elohim, Al-Hayim, the Netcher, the Netcheru. You ain't there. You're in the cemetery portion. And that's why some of you are going to forever be black gods and goddesses. Because when you get into the origin of the word God, it's a Germanic word and it's a spirit that dwells in a burial mound. These people knew exactly what they were doing when they placed these words on you. So let's get back. Person. We got it that it's an organization, corporation, legal representative, trustees. That's the legal definition. Then we got it says aliens. Aliens are persons within meaning of 14th Amendment and are thus protected by equal protection clause against discriminatory state action. Now, this is what I need for you to comprehend. How is it that aliens to the so-called United States fall under the 14th Amendment? How is it that corporations, Kmart, Walmart, Midway Mall, Burger King, McDonald's, how is it that they fall up under the 14th Amendment? How is it that so-called African Americans fall up under the 14th Amendment? Why are you falling up under the same clause as Walmart, Kmart, McDonald's, Nike? You're playing. You are using terms at law and you don't know it and you think you're super duper fucking deep and you're not. You're a laughing stock. They're laughing at us. You think you are super duper deep. These agents get on here and be like, oh, I see them. This one right here thinks that they're a black king and this one thinks she's a black queen and a black goddess right here. And she thinks that the Kemites were Egyptians. Laughing at your ass. With this colorable wokeness. With this colorable consciousness. Let me go to this damn dictionary again. Let's go to the word.
This content is the property of Put It Out There TV, also known as PIOT TV, a property of the House of Yasha Allah El Trust. If you are viewing and or listening to this content on a non-PIOT TV branded platform, then we kindly ask that you stop and flag this content for copyright infringement. Thank you.
Black. Let me turn this light on. This is crazy. Let's go to this dictionary again. This is supposed to be the black conscious community, y'all. Let's go back here to this Webster's dictionary. We're at the word black, B-L-A-C-K, adjective. Adjective, right? Anglo-Saxon, B-L-A-E-C, Blake, which also is the root word for pale in that language. It says opposite to white. See color. Wow. Wow. We've been seeing color before we got here. Then it goes on to say dark complexion. Then it goes on to say Negro. All 14th Amendment shit, all slave terms, all day. Let's see here. Totally without light. Now, let me make this clear before I go on any further. Anglo-Saxon, and I hate to use these terms of color. I really do. I hate to use terms of color. But a lot of people don't understand free national names. They don't understand that. So you have to use these words for them to comprehend because, you know, these are supposed to be the woke ones. Yet you have to turn it down a few notches for them to get what you're saying. So when you hear the word Anglo-Saxon, we are talking about what you today call pale-skinned white people. Though that's not what I would call them. I would call them Anglo-Saxons. I would call them Europeans. I would call them by their free national name. Hey, Kowalski. Oh, okay, you're Polish. I'm a Polish-American friend. Nothing wrong with that. Ain't nothing wrong with you being European and being Polish. A Polski. Ain't nothing wrong with it if that's the word. I don't mean to be offensive. How can we expect people to have respect for us and we don't even have respect for other people? We don't call them by their free national names. But anyway, let's go back to black. Anglo-Saxon, opposite to white, dark complexion, you know, Negro, all that. Totally without light, in complete darkness. That's the grave. That is the grave. That is a coma. That is unconscious. There is no black consciousness. There is no black consciousness. Soiled, dirty, wearing black clothing, evil, wicked, disgraceful, sad, dismal, sullen, angered, without hope, as a black future. Opposite of white, dark clothing, as for mourning, it's the grave. As a person of dark complexion. Let's see. To put blacking on shoes. You see, that's to cover up. You are the covered up people. You are the people with the covered up history, the covered up religion, the covered up language, the covered up customs, the covered up norms and ways and covered up values. You are those people. When you say this term, this is what you're saying. And then, damn it, we get black down here to blackout. It says to cover. To cause a blackout. To lose consciousness. This is their word. This is their word. This is their word. This is their word. This is a white people's word. This is how y'all would say it. So I'm not trying to be offensive to anybody because I know those are all terms of color, which is fraud, appearing to be real but not.
What's poppin', everybody? It's JudahSon with Put It Out There TV. We definitely appreciate you for interacting with our content. If you enjoyed the content, please be sure to check the comment section or the description box for the link to the next video. Peace.